Our staff goes that extra mile to ensure everyone walks away happy and satisfied. It's part of our top-notch 5-star experience, and we're excited to share our latest rave review with you. This is a great example of the customised approach we take with everyone we serve. With our company, you get nothing less than the very best every single time we work with you. It's just one of the many things that sets us apart from our competitors. So whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value everyone new and old and treat them equally with great service. We want to thank you for checking us out today. You can contact us at the number on the screen. We hope to hear from you soon.